Really nice.
Good morning, guys. So this video is sponsored by Kemimoto. They're actually sending us a product to review here. This is the Fender Flares. So I've been working with Alvis. He has been great. And so this is it right here. Open that up. So got one piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 pieces here. And it does come with an instruction manual. It's a one sheet. It's the installation tips. Front and back, it looks pretty simple. And right here are the washer and the screws. So this is it. So stay tuned. We'll just take you step by step installing that. My brother-in-law will be helping me out. We're gonna bring my Can-Am to the shop over there where I work, and we'll just install over there. So. Appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you Kemimoto for sending us these products here to review. Alright guys, I'm here with my brother-in-law Michael.
Hey, how are you?
Awesome here. So what are we doing today, Michael?
We are installing some Kemimoto Fender Flares.
Fender Flares, okay, so look at this, guys. It can look good on it. We have one in the front and also in the back here. We have not put one on yet. On both sides, so we're trying to put it together now. All the screws come in this little box right here with the washer, and here's the instruction. It's just a one-page front and back installation tips. So this is what it comes with right here, and here's all your product content, the screws and washer nuts. It just takes time to put it all together. So the washer here going outside that. There's a whole bunch of them, huh?
Oh yeah, well it's just screwing into plastic, so you just gotta make sure that there's enough that it's not gonna get ripped off from rocks and stuff. These bottom 4 take the longer screws, the top ones take the shorter screws.
There's the other parts right here. Slowly screwing that in.
Yeah, not a lot. Just want it snug.
And then go back this way, and then show you what after looks like here. And the after here, look at that, guys. Look at that. Start to pre-drill a little bit first. It already got the indentation on each one of these here. We're just pre-drilling it.
That way you can line up the fender flare before we actually screw it in. All we're doing is just getting these started. We're not tightening anything. We're just going to make sure that everything starts to go in the hole that we just made. When we start tightening everything down, it's right where it should be. Just gotta remember the last 4. You want to use the longer screws.
2 fronts are done. And now we're doing the back one here. The back one has 2 pieces. There's this one here, and this one will go right there.
these lights.
Oh yeah, we gotta take the rock lights off.
Yeah.
The way that position right here. Okay, well, gotta put this right here, so they're gonna touch this rock light here. So I'm gonna have to take that off in order to put this on. Unscrew the rock light here for now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, having the Kemimoto Fender Flare reduces the breeze in the cap, and the most important thing is that it's very stable. Stability. It's attached onto it, and it looks very nice too. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. Have a great day.